Hey, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to make pickled radishes. They're tangy, sweet, and a bit unexpected. The best part is they're so simple to make. Okay, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 6 or 7 radishes. I'm using rainbow radishes that I washed earlier. How fun are these? Next up, a jar with a tight seal. A mason jar works well, but my personal favorite is the one I'm using today. I'll talk about that later in the video. 2/3 cup distilled white vinegar. For a stronger flavor, use more vinegar. 1/3 a cup water, 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance out the flavors, and finally 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Oops, it looks like I spilled a little salt here. Guess I'll throw a little over my left shoulder. Okay, let's get these cuties prepped. I'm using this mandoline to cut my radishes super thin. Mandolines are a great addition to any kitchen. I find myself reaching for it all the time when making things like salads, pizza toppers, and garnishes. It's an easy way to visually impact your plate. If you'd like to get a mandoline for your kitchen, I've included a link in the description below. If you don't have a mandoline on hand, you can also use a well-sharpened knife to get the same effect. If you're enjoying what you're seeing here, please be sure to like and subscribe. As you can see, I'm just working my way through the radishes until I have enough to fill my jar. It looks like we're getting close here. Okay, this looks good. When you're done, they should look something like this. Delicate and beautiful. Let's stack them in the jar. You want to make sure you have enough, but not too much that your radishes reach the top of your jar. Leave about 1/2 inch of space at the top. Next up is our brine. Add all your ingredients to a saucepan. That's your vinegar, water, sugar, and salt. Bring to a simmer over medium heat. Stir until dry ingredients are dissolved. If you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Once your mixture is dissolved and you have a light simmer going, your brine is done. Carefully transfer your saucepan and pour over your sliced radishes. Oh, before I forget, make sure your radishes are fully submerged in the brine. If needed, add a little water or vinegar to top it off. Remember, your jar will be hot to the touch. I suggest you let it cool before handling. Once cooled, tightly seal your jar. I love these jars because they come with a rubber sealing gasket and stainless steel clamps, all to ensure an airtight seal. They're great. I've included a link in the description below if you'd like to try them out. Next, refrigerate your radishes for at least an hour, but I find they taste best when they soak for 24 hours. You can use these pickled delights on just about anything. In my other video, I added them to a beautiful beet citrus salad. Today, as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to elevate a morning favorite, avocado toast. Take a few radish slices and make a cut halfway through the round. Twist and place around your toast. Talk about eye candy. Next, I'm using a seasoning blend to add depth and enhance the flavor. Finally, I had some leftover fennel tops which I thought worked great here. Get creative with it. Okay, I'm sorry, I just have to try this. So tasty. What do you think? How would you use your radishes? Comment below. I'd love to hear what you did with them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the other delicious videos to come. Again, thanks for watching, and keep it fresh.